Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to introduce Dell Technology 6265W digital power adapter. The adapter is capable with a wide range of devices, providing a stable and efficient charging service for routers, displays, speakers, and even a variety of small household appliances. This power adapter features over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and overheat protection to ensure safety and stability during use. Its parameters, pins, colors, AC and DC wires can be also customized to meet the needs of different devices, making it more flexible and convenient.